A renowned yoga training center had organized a large-scale class on how to avoid anger. For this purpose, the yoga teachers distributed the invitation for the class among people of all ages, from children to adults, to make it known. Thus, the day of the training session arrived. Two yoga teachers, Ganesan and Iswaran, were waiting at the railway station to welcome Mr. Raman, a social worker who was to preside over the event. At that time, a porter named Shanmugam at the station was requesting the passengers getting off the train to allow him to carry their luggage from the train compartment to the vehicle they were traveling in. Even after a long time, none of the passengers gave him their luggage to carry. At that time, the porter went to the wealthy elderly man named Ramanathan who had gotten off and asked for luggage. Since he had brought many bags and suitcases, and had no other option, the elderly man gave them to the porter to carry along with him. However, while the porter Shanmugam was carrying the luggage, the elderly man held the bag carefully and kept saying, "Be careful not to break the items inside, bring it slowly," and was scolding him angrily while carrying him. For the Shanmugam, being scolded by the elderly man was far more difficult than carrying the load. However, without getting angry at all, he smiled and, as instructed, brought the loads and safely placed them in the vehicle the elderly man was about to travel in. After finishing the work, the Shanmugam asked the elderly man for his wage. In response, the elderly man said that he could only give a much lower wage than what the porter had asked for and handed it over. Initially, Shanmugam refused, but realizing there was no other option, he said, "Thank you very much, sir," and respectfully accepted the wage he was given. The elderly man, thinking that the porter Shanmugam would argue for a higher wage, was surprised when he accepted the money quietly without saying anything. So, realizing his mistake, the elderly man gave him more than porter had asked for and left. The yoga teachers, Ganesan and Iswaran, who were sitting there carefully observing all this, thought that they themselves should learn how to avoid anger from this porter named Shanmugam. Therefore, they went near Shanmugam and asked, "Even when the elderly man scolded and troubled you, and gave you less than the rightful wage, didn't you get angry?" They asked, "Moreover, you accepted the lower wage he gave with a smile. Don't you ever get angry?" To that, Shanmugam replied, "Although I have tried for a long time, no one gave me work. Only this elderly man gave me work. It is with the money he gives that the hunger of my family members is relieved today. Therefore, since I assumed that he is the one feeding the members of my family today, even if he scolds me, it didn't affect me much, so I am not angry." Not only that, but without getting angry, by accepting the low wage he offered with a smile, I was able to transform the anger of that senior, who would get anger over even the smallest things, into affection, and in return, I received a good wage for the work I did, he said. Moreover, even if they are our enemies, without magnifying the major wrongs they do to us, if we focus on and magnify the little benefits we somehow receive from them, even though the person opposite us may be an adversary, we will not feel anger towards them. On the contrary, we can show love towards them as well. As a result, after saying that we would receive love in return even from those who are angry with us, Shanmugam ran towards the passengers who were about to get off the train to ask for wage work. Upon hearing what he said, the yoga teachers Ganesan and Iswaran realized that no matter how educated or well-trained we are, we must continue to learn good things throughout our lives from unexpected events that happen around us. Then, they put the laborers' talk as the main theme of their class on how to avoid anger, and made everyone in the class understand and made the program go smoothly.